I really want to use this shade.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are on day 3 of Beauty Bay week. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, like if you've not been to my channel before, that kind of thing, this week, for this whole week, we're doing a Beauty Bay week, which means that I'll be using a different Beauty Bay palette every single day. And we're now on day 3, so I've already done 2 videos for Monday, Tuesday, so I'll leave them videos up in the cards and the description box down below. But I've already done 2 looks using 2 other Beauty Bay palettes. But in today's video, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay X Nikkie Tutorials palette. Yes, you guys already picked out all my palettes for this week, so I already know what palettes I'm going to be using, that kind of thing. But yeah, in today's video, we're going to be using the Nikkie palette, so let's jump straight on into it. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've literally just primed my lids. I did use the Beauty Bay eye base. I've been using this in combination with the ABH eye primer, and I really like it. Like, I don't like this by itself because it's very sheer, and I have explained that. You can still see like my veins through it. However, if you don't have like very veiny lids like myself, then you might actually really like this. I do like it. I just wish that there was a bit more coverage in it. So yeah, just pointing it out there. Okay, so obviously this is what the Nikkie palette looks like. Oh, it's huge. Really pretty. You can kind of see. Really nice shades. I've only used this once on my channel, but I have used it a couple of times off camera. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know what, we're gonna do like a purpley pinky look today. So I'm gonna take the shade Slasher, which is this beautiful like deep purple shade, I guess. I'm awful when it comes to describing shade names, guys, so yes. I'm gonna start to pack this through the crease. Oh my god, that shade's a lot of fallout with that shade. Look how pigmented that is though. So like I was saying, I only ever done one look on my channel with this, and I did like a first impressions. I did swatches, all that kind of thing. But yeah, I didn't, at first I wasn't too sure, on like because I found that some of the shades were a little bit patchy, and I had a couple of problems with it, but I used it the second time. I didn't have any problems with it, so it could have just been me, it could have been my eye base, I'm not too sure. There's quite a bit of fallout with this shade, and there's quite a bit of kick up in the pan. However, it's still a really pretty shade. It packs on really well, so we like that. And then I'm going to take the shade Blend and Snap, which is this like light baby pink, and I start to blend around the edges of this first shade. I think I might need to blend that a little bit more. I'm going to take the shade Basic Trut, which is this shade here, the creamy kind of shade. I like having a shade like this in the palette because it just helps to blend around the edges. I'm literally just going to use this shade to blend around the edges of this shade. I love a good cream shade in a palette, like, oh, yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to build up these shades again and build them up, blend them out, and then we'll move on to the lid shade. I'm going to do this on camera, but I'm just going to speed it up because I'm not going to cut my crease. Like I said, we're not going to cut the crease, I'm just going to go straight into a lid shade. I don't know what lid shade to use, like I really want to use this shade. Okay. Well, there's Mama Tutorials. That could look cute, couldn't it? You know what, we're going to go in with Pride, which is that pink shade. I really want to use more my tutorials, but I just, that Pride shade is just calling my name. This one here, it's literally just like calling my name. It's pretty, it's pretty. The shimmers in here, like they're just, I don't know what they did, but they did something, and I wish they would do it in every palette because it's just crazy, like they're proper sparkly. We're gonna go in with this shade. I think I might have to use a different brush. Ah, this shade. I haven't even used it yet, like it's, oh, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna take a little bit of Ivy as well, which is this like whitey shade here. It's really difficult to hold this palette up, guys. I'm gonna put that in like the center. Just to see if it gives it a bit more of a, I guess it does, it gives it a bit more of a pop, a pop. I'm also going to take that Ivy shade on the inner corner. It's very crumbly, this shade, like, but it's pretty, like, look at that. Look at it. Take a little bit on the brow bone as well while we're here. Let's just take a little bit. Yes, honey. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do this out of camera, the rest of my base and everything off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. It is so cute, so pretty. Love it. I just want to let you guys know I did use a couple of other Beauty Bay bits for like my base. I did use the Donut bronzer. I've been loving this bronzer. It's so gorgeous. If you like a fair tone, like a fair skin tone like me, this will look beautiful on you. I then did use the Beauty Bay and Nikkie palette, and I used the shade Zomer, which is this shade here. I used that shade for my blush. Really pretty. For my highlighter, I used the Live in My Best Light Delicate highlighter palette, and I used the shade Precious, this shade here. It's gorgeous. And then for my gloss, I used the Beauty Bay lip gloss in the shade Candy. Really pretty, love it. I actually really like this look. I'm obsessed with it, it's so pretty. On my lower lash line, I just used the same like purple and pink shade. I'm obsessed, it is gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it would really help me out. Everything else that I'm wearing on my face, I'll of course let you know in the description box down below in case you are interested. Yes, don't forget to check out my first two videos where I used two other Beauty Bay palettes. I'll link them up in the cards and in the description box down below. And remember to come back for tomorrow's video where I'll be using my fourth Beauty Bay palette. As always, I've been linking my social media handles up above. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!